everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimpingmommy. I'm here today to share my latest release. This is my Journaling J.O.Y collection for February. I released them a month early so that my members can get started and it keeps me on schedule. So we're creating a journal a month for 12 months as part of what I offer to my Ko-fi subscribers. If you're interested in joining and getting the monthly collections, there will be 12 in total. There is a link in the description box below to a video telling you all about my Ko-fi subscription club and exactly how to join. You must follow the steps very carefully. So this is February's, and I have gone for something to tie in with Chinese New Year rather than Valentine's. Gets a bit old, doesn't it, Valentine's? I'm too old to be romantic. So we're doing Chinese New Year theme. So there's no massive reference to exactly Chinese New Year because I didn't want it to be specific. It's Chinese themed. So here's one of the collage pages. Absolutely stunning. We've got this beautiful watercolour landscape, and we've got some Chinese vintage writing coming through in the background. It's just beautiful. So you can print them as A4 or letter size, or you could print them 2 to a page or 4 to a page. You know, there's lots of ways you can use these. So you could use these as a journaling page, or you could cut them up, or you can print them smaller. So that's the first one. So all of my collections are available in UK A4 and US letter size. Okay, PDF and JPEG. Here's another background page. Beautiful watercolour lanterns again with the Chinese script coming through with the background there. It's absolutely stunning. Again, it's a beautiful large bold print. You could use it for a cover as a page, or you can print them 2 to a page or 4 to a page to make them smaller into journaling cards, or smaller to bring the pattern smaller for when we do folios. Because every month along with this collection I share a unique style of journal cover or a different way of doing it, and I also share a folio. So my subscribers get an awful lot of inspiration for the collection they get, and I will tell you it's only £3 a month to join. So here is a complete background page, and it's in the beautiful red and gold, which are the lucky colours for Chinese New Year. The idea of this is you use it to enhance and decorate pages. I will absolutely be making some Chinese money wallets out of these, the lucky money envelopes. Lots and lots of uses. I always include some kind of patterned background. It'll just go beautiful. So now we're on to the main journal pages. So Journaling J.O.Y is about creating journals really, really quickly, and they are for writing. So what we do is we create a journal every month, and we do that really easily by not over embellishing, not creating a pocket or a flip or a tuck on every single page. It isn't necessary. We can just write on them. So here's the first page with these beautiful Chinese traditional ladies in their beautiful outfits. Again, we're sticking to kind of reds and oranges. There's some hints of blue. Absolutely beautiful. So we've got a defined split journal page there, 2 defined pages, lots of room for writing, but also beautiful. So again, you can print these 2 to a page to make a smaller journal, cut the figures out. You could do what you want, or you can just fold that and it's a journal page. Already done, nothing more needed. Here's another one with a singular lovely lady and some Chinese writing there. And again, lots of blank space for writing, gratitude journals, prayer journals. You know, I often see people writing in journal groups. Well, what do you do with them? Well, we can write in them if we don't go mad and over-embellish every single available real estate of the page. We can write on them. Here's another beautiful one. Absolutely stunning. I really love how these turned out. The blendings come out beautiful. It just marries up lovely. And we've got some hints of blue in these ladies here. Absolutely stunning. And here's another one. They're so pretty. Absolutely, I don't think anybody could deny that those are beautiful, beautiful images, and I've manipulated them in such a way that it just enhances the page without having to have lots and lots of things on the page. So it lends itself beautifully for a writing journal, a functional journal. That's the idea of Journaling Joy, is so that these journals are functional. They're not just going to sit collecting dust. You can gift them, you can sell them, you can write in them for yourself. Okay. Another beautiful one here with this beautiful bird and the lovely Chinese building there. Again with the script coming through. So it all kind of coordinates nicely. We've got this border running through a lot of the pages. So it coordinates, so you can tell that these pages go together beautifully. And another one, slightly bolder colours. Really, really pretty. Another Chinese building there. More of the lovely script. Let's have a look what else we've got. Another one here with another beautiful building, just there hanging off the edge of the page, and some beautiful Chinese lanterns there with some like, looks like mountains or clouds, and some script, and these beautiful floral elements, each so soft and so pretty. It's absolutely stunning. Then we've got a nice bold dragon. You can't have a Chinese themed collection without the dragon. But I faded it in to such an extent that you'll still be able to write over the top. So it's still very functional. You could even, if you so desired, painstakingly colour this, if that's your vibe. It's not my vibe. I'll just be writing over the top. Then we've got this lovely split page with all of these kind of Chinese kind of themed florals. Just beautiful, and some of the script there. Absolutely lovely. A couple of little butterflies round and about. Really pretty. Then I always do some plain journaling pages. So here's one that's fairly plain. We've just got some lovely border here, and then this Chinese writing symbolises luck. I hope it does anyway. I'm taking faith in the internet that does say luck and not something else. It does. It says luck. I'm only teasing you. And again, this is another symbol for luck. And we've got one of the Chinese buildings. This one's got lines on. Okay, now if you build up your collection of the Journaling Joy, every month I do different journaling pages. So in some of the previous collections, there are other pages with dotted pages, grid pages, line pages. So you build your collection up and you can use pages from previous collections every single time. There's quite a few plain ones, you know, that will fit with any collection. So if you join the monthly club, you'll get access to all of the previous ones. Okay, so there I always provide a plain page so you can print it on the back of everything. All right, so that's a plain, that's like vintage note paper. And then we've got one here with the lovely Chinese script, so you can either use it as a journaling page, or you can cut those into strips and use them as borders like washi. You could with that as well. There's so many uses for them. And then we have our monthly pages. So every Journaling Joy, every month, has 2 planner pages. So planning can be overwhelming. It's not with Journaling Joy because I only give you 2 planner pages. But the idea is you can use these monthly, create them monthly and write in them monthly. And so here it says February monthly, and we go across, and this would go in the centre of a signature. Okay, like so. And you print something on the back. So that's the large planner page. Then we've got a smaller one. Okay, which is just a half page. So again, we go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then that side there is plain. Okay, then we've got some embellishments. We've got some beautiful tags. So I've used some of the images that I've created and then turned them into tags. These are the larger tags. They're absolutely stunning. And then down here we've got what I call twinches. So a twincher is a 2-inch square, and these are perfect. You can cut them out and use them as embellishments. I'll be doing videos next month with ideas of how to do it. I'm still finishing, just finishing up my January one, but I will be sharing some ideas. I've got some perfect ideas how we can use some red twine there and then make like a tassel. You know, you can double side them. Or you could just put them on pockets. You can make you can use them for tucks. There's so much you can do. So those are Twinches 2-inch squares, but I've given them rounded corners just so that they look that little bit nicer. And then on here we've got some 3x4 journaling cards with some of these beautiful ladies on. They're just stunning. I just love them. And then here we've got some 1.5-inch circles with the Lucky Money emblem for luck in Chinese. And then obviously you can make your Lucky Money envelopes, and you've got these little seals to use as a closure. I've also just made a few tabs, page tabs, and you know, my members often request that I do the February wording in different sizes so that they can utilise them on other pages. And so here we've got the word February, February monthly in one size, and again in another size. So there's 21 pages there altogether of absolute Chinese loveliness. Really, really beautiful. I'm really looking forward to working with these images. I think it's going to make for the most beautiful journal. I don't know how I keep coming up with these ideas, but I do a different idea every single month. You know, and not the same. I try not to be the same as every other digital creator out there. I could have quite easily done Valentine's Day for February, but you know, let's do something a little bit more fun and enjoy these beautiful, beautiful Chinese images and create ourselves a fantastic journal. So keep an eye out, because there will be videos. I will be creating a unique style journal cover or a different way of doing it. And then we will just simply put our signatures in and decorate it beautifully. There is a playlist in the description box below where I save all of my Journaling Joy videos. So if you want to take a look at previous collections, previous tutorials that I've done, and previous cover tutorials that I've done, have a look at that. You'll be amazed at what we can come up with month in and month out, something different every time. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.